Jellyface. A long time me order some food, but the idiot don't know yachty food. Bean. Just all the meds. Them chung kongs don't know to run a business. And I got me compla. Zimmy. Yeah man, me hungry. Like Bob Marley. Me belly rolling like King Kong and Popcorn DJ in the jungle, ready to fuck up some steam fish and tough crackers and vegetables. Okay, fine. Steam fish and tough crack is coming up. That me a chat boat. Eating. Bro. It's you mama. It's your papa. It's you. Nope. The makeup. Bro. What's that for? Nerdy. I don't know. Cool. I thought we were going to fight. No, my youth. Bro. You check out the new cook yet? The real deal. Parada. Who? Because there's no good restaurant around, bro. Jellyface, you fuckface, you didn't hear? Nope. You hear now. Fayah. How it goes now. Blessing. More life. Been the boy? Jughead box me. Irie. Fayah. You eat? Youth? Steam fish and callaloo. Rastafarian? Really? That me a chat boat. Who cook? The best cook. From Dong? Ayad. Who cook? The real cook Parada. Who cook? The big cook. Who cook? Rastafarian? Respect Parada.